Hello and welcome everybody to the Vital Absorbing Creative Interest, VACIs for short. Let's get started. Before your life was taken over by addictive behaviors, there were probably hobbies, activities you enjoyed, and others you wanted to try. Now you can bring them back into your life and explore the new ones. Hobbies and interests help balance your life. A vital absorbing creative interest can help bring the simple pleasures of living back into your life. When we get overly involved in any one activity, be it helpful or not so helpful, we cut a lot out of our lives that we used to enjoy. Finding a balance can restore the fun and enjoyment that life has to offer. So how can we get back to those simple pleasures of life? First, look at the benefits list of your CBA, means cost benefit analysis. What were some of the benefits you were getting from your addictive behavior before it cost becomes too high? Did you enjoy the buzz? Did you like being able to just check out for a bit? Was it tasty or socially accepted? Believe it or not, each of these benefits is a key to finding your VACIs. If you enjoyed the buzz, then look at things you could do to get real buzzed out of life. Therefore, will be greater and you will remember it the next morning and for years to come. Maybe you decide to ride the roller coaster you've never ride before. Maybe it's taking up running or racing walking. Perhaps you have always wanted to skydive or ride a motorcycle. Figure out what would give you a buzz and take it on. If using or acting out allowed you to check out for a bit, maybe looking at some ways of being away from the world for a while might give you the chance to restore your energy. Take a walk by yourself. Go to the ocean and watch the waves. Go on a day trip and be alone with yourself in your car. A bike ride is a great way to be alone with nature. What about gardening, crafts, and artistic endeavors? Be careful to do your VACIs in moderation, so that you don't replace an addictive behavior with another. If you leaned on alcohol or drugs to help you feel comfortable in social situations, you might challenge yourself to go to a social event and act as fun and as friendly as you were when you were using. What did you like to do as a kid? What hobbies did you have? What dreams were never realized? Now is the time to take your life back and make some of those things happen. Variety is the spice of life. Find many VACIs and keep looking for more. Life is full of amazing and new things to learn and do. The VACIs list. Use the table in Figure 6.2 from the Smart Recovery Handbook to make your list of VACIs that interest you. Write it down, then rate it from 1 to 10 on how much it interests you. After you try it, come back to the list and rate it again to see how closely your before and after rating are. Here's an example of a VACIs list. You decide to go biking, the thing you loved when you were a kid. And when you were a kid, it was an 8. And then now it's another 8. I really enjoy the feeling of being free on my bike. Painting, it was a 7. Now it's an 8. I really love it. I was filled with newfound artistic fulfillment. Hiking, it was a 9 when I was a kid. I loved it. It's a 10 now because I really love nature. Being out in nature filled my soul. Photography, it was a 7. Now it's an 8. Taking photos allows me to express my inner self. So that's the VACI's list. Now look forward to the next video, setting smart goals. Everybody have a fantastic day. Bye-bye for now.